Hello, friends. LinkedIn is one of the best platform in today's job search market. A lot of people across the industries, either it is IT industry, retail, manufacturer, everybody is leveraging the LinkedIn platform and getting the benefit. Total 779 millions users are available in the LinkedIn. That include job seekers, employers, recruiters, and many other stakeholders to support the business, to support the recruitments, and to support the job search market, right? So it is considered one of the best platform today's market. So let me go walk through you how you as a job seeker can get the benefit, right? So there are a lot of strategic movement or strategic way by which you can get the benefit of LinkedIn platform. Number one is, of course, the connection strategically, right? If you, as I said earlier, it is 779 million users, which is a like 10 crore. um, I mean, it is huge number of users, and you must know whom to connect, right? Otherwise, you will be lost. So connect with the professionals in your desired role for the insights, right? For example, if you are a mobile developer, or you are a website developer, or you are a digital marketer, and so on and so forth, or you are a finance guy, your your strategy should be connect to the only those people who are you are interested in your job search market, right? So obviously you will be interested to the people with your background. For example, you are a mobile developer. You should connect with the mobile developer, because if there is any job opportunity comes in his team, you will able to come to know internally through LinkedIn that there is a requirement. Why don't you see my CV to me? I'll pass to my manager, right? So obviously you should connect with the people who are in your background. That is the first requirements. And of course, to make the relationship more stronger, you should connect, find your alumni in the LinkedIn platform. You should find your ex-employee in your LinkedIn platform. You should find your schoolmate, university mate, and so on and so forth. So that once you have connection with them, definitely when there is a suitable opportunity comes, definitely they will be the first person to inform you. So connect in the LinkedIn platform. Number one, the people of that same role that you are looking for. Number two, connect with all the alumni. That includes your previous employer, employee colleagues, students, university students, friends, and so on and so forth. That is number one. Number two, recruiters. As I said also earlier, the recruiter is the interface between employer and you as a job seeker. So recruiter is the first point of contact. You will not able to connect with the hiring manager directly, right? So recruiter have a wider view about the requirements. For example, you are a digital marketing guy. So the website recruiter will have a clear understanding which are the organizations have digital marketing openings. What are the skills that is required in order to get the job in digital marketing? What is the most demanding tools that is in the required in the digital marketing field? I am giving just an example in one area, but it applies to across many fields. So therefore, if you are in touch with the recruiters who are dealing with the similar kind of job that you are looking for, that is the first choice that you should make in order to connect with the recruiter, right? If you connect with the recruiter, then your right recruiter essentially, then your major hurdle has been solved, because it is her interest as well to place you and get the money, isn't it? So therefore, connect with the right recruiter. That is another strategic move that I will suggest, right? Now, third point will be job portal interaction, right? As I said, LinkedIn is one of the best job portal that has been considered today. So you should craft the cover letter. You should personalize your cover letter. You should mm, make your resume in such a way that you should ask for the recommendation, so that when somebody is recommending in your profile in the LinkedIn, your LinkedIn profile will be much valued. You much authentic, much trustworthy, because there are a lot of people in the job market to search the job or ask for the job. But how can you stand out from others? That is the way, right? You should your resume LinkedIn profile should have a lot of recommendation from others. Your LinkedIn profile should have nice cover letter when you apply, and everything you will get when you are connected to the job portal closely and interactly, because there are a lot of groups who are sharing their knowledge on the building the cover letter. There are a lot of people who are sharing how to create a authentic and professional resumes in the LinkedIn and so on and so forth. So if you interact with the job portals in LinkedIn, specifically the LinkedIn job portal that I'm referring here, you will get much better positions, right? Fourth, the fifth point is basically the network with decision makers, right? So who are the decision maker in the job search market? Obviously, the directors, hiring managers, and so on and so forth. So if you find that in that particular organizations, my jobs are there, you will able to find in through LinkedIn platform, definitely, because mobile developers or mobile development is happening only few organizations, or digital marketing is done by these are the company that you can filter out in the LinkedIn platforms. And if you can find from those, for example, your mobile development is happening ABC company, you go to the ABC company, you find the directors, you find the hiring manager in that organization and connect with them, and you start engaging with them, you start putting your comments into their post and look at the post what they are sharing in the LinkedIn platform. That will help you to connect with him. That will help him to understand the hiring manager's requirement, expectation, overall personality, so that when the job comes, you will be the first person to get noticed because the hiring manager already know you through different communication that you have started, isn't it? So it is important that you connect with the hiring manager, IT directors of that particular organizations where your jobs are available. That is number 5 point. Number 6 point, utilize the LinkedIn groups. As I said earlier, also there are a lot of technical groups, there are a lot of industry groups, for example, mobile development groups, or digital marketing groups, or finance groups, and so on and so forth. If you part of that groups, there is somebody who admin guy, or there are senior members in the group who always want to encourage people to collaborate, who always want to help people others in the group and empower them, right? That is the leader, that is their leadership quality. So definitely they will help in one or the other way when you start engaging in their in the discussion within that groups, in terms of sharing your thought process in the group, or sharing some acknowledging some of the comments that is coming as part of the groups, and so on and so forth. So those senior profile in the group definitely will encourage your participations. They will definitely like your participations, and you will be the first person to get noticed when any of the jobs that you are looking for is also known by them in the groups, right? So therefore, important thing is connect with those LinkedIn groups and take the advantage of being part of the larger groups for your job search process. Another point is LinkedIn is basically, of course, it is a job portal platform, but it's also a platform where you can showcase your achievement. You can showcase your resume in such a way that it is more attractive, right, compared to others, so that you can highlight your achievements. You can highlight some tools and technology that awires into your area, and you can highlight some of the uh, industry trends into your area, so that everybody will know this guy is definitely giving a value to this industry, so he's the right person to be taken into our team, isn't it? That kind of thought process will come when we start optimizing your overall profiles, when we start uh, creating a better resumes which will get noticed, when you start endorsing the skills that you have for others and also for yourselves, and so on and so forth. Therefore, optimizing your profiles is another important requirement, because it is also a marketing platforms in the job search area, right? Now, share industry insights. When I'm saying that, because LinkedIn is a community platform again, right? People will give a value to you when you start sharing some of the insights in your area in the LinkedIn platforms, because people are joining in the LinkedIn platform to get some knowledge and insight, isn't it? If you start always trying to consume the knowledge and you are not contributing anything, I think you will not be that much of noticed in this competitive world today. So you start sharing some of the industry insight in your area, definitely other people will like you, because you are giving some contributing some knowledge for his or her development, right? So therefore, you share industry insight so that you'll be valuable member in the LinkedIn's, and definitely that will give you added advantage in terms of your job search process. And then another important thing is LinkedIn have a huge learning certifications compared to other certifications, the Udemy and here in LinkedIn. The advantage is as soon as you complete your certification, or as soon as you finish your learning in the LinkedIn platform, that is known to the public or known to the groups members who are associated with you. Recruiter will come to know, hiring manager will come to know as soon as you complete your certification and share with them, share in the LinkedIn platform, right? And which is essential. We know many things, but people don't know what we know. Therefore, we are not much valuable. But because whatever we know, if other people know, then definitely we will be more valuable, and then we'll get a lot of invitations and requests for our contributions in that field, right? So therefore, important thing is sharing the certification is also essential. And last but not least is engage with company page. Why you am saying that engage with company page? Because everybody love the company that they are working on, isn't it? If you start following the company page as per your interest and background, because you in future you want to work in that company, definitely there are CEOs, CTOs, directors are closely watching those comments, those updates that you are sharing, right? And then that some of the acknowledgement that you are providing or some of the insights that you are giving into their posts, definitely they will like it, and you will be the first persons to get resume shortlisted when you apply in the crowd. It is very important that you should be stand out in the crowd in order to get the jobs today. So therefore, this is the one strategy where you can do it. Start liking their company page, start engaging in the company page with more valuable insights. And then of course, personalized connection requests is another important point, because when you connect with the directors, MD, and so on and so forth, when after applying the job, if you send a personalized message, hey, I'm interested in your uh, I have seen your requirements and I'm interested for so on and so jobs, will you like to have a 10 minutes conversation with you, or do you want my CV to forward to the right recruiters? When the senior people like decision makers send your CV, the directors and VP and so on, to the recruiters, then recruiter job will be much easy, right? Recruiter want exactly same thing, because what recruiter do is recruiter will connect with you guys, and then find the suitable profile and forward to the those decision makers. And if they like it, then they will call you. But here you are doing the reverse. They will basically you that because you directly know the directors and hiring managers, so they will even share your CV to recruiter as part of the formalities to be completed, just all. And you will be the first person to get the call in that scenario. If and this it is not it is practically possible, right? If you are always good touch with hiring manager and recruit directors through the LinkedIn platform, why then to they would love to do that. So therefore, all in all, it is very important that we leverage our LinkedIn platform for our job search process. If we start leveraging more effectively and efficiently in LinkedIn platform, where lot of pupils in your background is available, lot of recruiters who are doing exactly uh, who are exactly trying to place the similar profile like you, definitely. And there are a lot of directors and senior positions of organization who are looking for the people like you to run their business and so on and so forth, right? So therefore, in all, it is one of the most dynamic and vibrant job search platform that I can say. So therefore, it is if you leverage it with efficiently and effectively, you will be the one person, you will be the person who will get the job very soon. So leverage it as much as possible, wisely and effectively. With this thought, this is Nirpa Chetri signing out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.